Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change a tail light bulb in a Toyota Prius C. First, ensure your vehicle is completely turned off and the parking brake is engaged for your safety. You'll access the tail light assembly from inside the trunk, which is a straightforward process. It's important to identify the correct bulb type, often a 7440 or 7443, before you begin. This easy method will save you time and money. Before starting, gather your essential tools. You'll need a 10mm socket and a ratchet to remove the retaining bolts. A flathead screwdriver can be helpful for gently prying any stubborn clips without causing damage. Most importantly, have your new replacement bulb on hand. Make sure it's the correct type, like a 7440 or 7443, to ensure proper function and fit. Now let's get to the actual replacement. Open your trunk and locate the two 10mm bolts holding the tail light assembly in place. Remove them carefully. Once the bolts are out, gently pull the entire tail light assembly straight back to release the clips. With the assembly free, twist the bulb socket counterclockwise to remove it, then pull the old bulb straight out. Insert your new bulb firmly into the socket. After installing the new bulb, test it immediately by turning on your vehicle's lights to confirm it works. Once confirmed, align the tail light assembly's pins with the holes and gently push it back into place until the clips engage. Reinstall the two 10mm bolts and tighten them securely. You've successfully changed your tail light bulb. Before you go, make meal prep easy with these leak-proof containers. Check the description for a link to these and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.